Welcome back, bakers. Today we're making Italian buttercream. It's a silky smooth frosting that's perfect for cakes and cupcakes. I prefer Italian to Swiss buttercream because it's more stable and I find it easy to make. The only ingredients you're going to need are sugar, water, egg whites, butter, and vanilla, using a 1:4 ratio of whites, sugar, and butter. Start by separating your eggs. We're only going to be using the whites, so save those yolks for another tasty treat like pudding. Set the egg whites aside, and next, measure out your water and sugar. There's not an exact measurement of water. I usually do about 25% of the sugar, but the consistency you're looking for is like wet sand. Cover that and put it on high heat until you see steam coming out, which lets me know it's time to check the temperature. We're cooking our sugar to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, but at 235 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to start whipping our egg whites. We want some volume to our egg whites before adding the sugar, but don't bring it past soft peaks. Now that our sugar is at 240, turn your mixer down to medium and slowly pour your sugar down the sides of the bowl, making sure not to hit the whisk. I prefer to invert my grip on the handle for more control when pouring the hot sugar. Once you've added everything, turn the mixer up to high for about a minute. At this point, we've made Italian meringue, and to turn it into Italian buttercream, we just need to add the butter. But our mixer is too hot, so we're going to turn it down to medium until it cools down to about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. With our Italian meringue cool enough, slowly add your room temperature butter, one piece at a time, giving time between each piece to fully incorporate. And a quick tip, it's always best to plan ahead and pull out your butter a few hours before you need it, like when you're making the cake. But if you forget, you can just pop it in the microwave. Just don't melt it. Once your butter is added, your buttercream may look curdled, but let it whip a little while longer and it'll all come together. Now we have our basic Italian buttercream, and we can make this any flavor we like, but today we're just adding vanilla. I also switched to a paddle attachment at the end and let that run on low until we get that silky smooth texture we're looking for. And there we have it, Italian buttercream. I know some people are afraid of cooking the sugar, but as long as you follow the steps we did, you should have no problem and have an amazing buttercream. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And be sure to check out my channel for more baking recipes and tips. Then comment down below on what's your favorite kind of buttercream. Thanks again for watching, and remember, just keep baking.